We are at the outskirts of Wenchi in the Bono Region of Ghana, bringing you another update on the ongoing construction of the approximately 195-kilometer Wenchi Sawla Road corridor. On this episode, we are focusing on Lot 1 of the project, where construction activities are steadily advancing. As the drone rises into the sky, we get a clear aerial view of the work currently underway. One of the most noticeable developments is the extensive roadside clearing and shoulder formation taking place along this section of the corridor. Roadside clearing is one of the first and most important stages of road construction. Just a short distance ahead, we encounter the scene of a serious traffic accident involving two taxis. Preliminary observations suggest that one vehicle may have attempted an overtaking maneuver before colliding with an oncoming vehicle. Incidents like this serve as a reminder of the challenges currently faced by road users on many sections of the existing roadway. Narrow carriageways often leave very little room for error when drivers attempt overtaking maneuvers. When vehicles are forced to share limited road space, the risk of head-on collisions increases significantly. This is one of the reasons why projects such as the Wenchi Sawla Road are so important. By removing vegetation, trees, shrubs, and other obstructions within the road reserves, contractors create enough space for future carriageway, drainage structures, shoulders, and utility corridors. This process also improves visibility for motorists and allows engineers to properly survey and shape the road alignment. Another major activity visible from the air is the formation of road shoulders. Road shoulders play a critical role in road safety and pavement durability. They provide emergency stopping space for broken down vehicles, create recovery areas for drivers who accidentally leave the travel lane, and help distribute traffic loads away from the pavement edge. Well-constructed shoulders also improve drainage and reduce pavement deterioration over time. As we continue along the corridor, we can see excavations being prepared for drainage works. These excavated channels will eventually accommodate drainage structures designed to safely convey stormwater away from the roadway. Drainage is one of the most important components of any highway project. Without proper drainage systems, rainwater can accumulate on the pavement surface, weaken the road foundation, and cause premature failures such as potholes, cracks, erosion, and pavement settlement. Effective drainage ensures that water is quickly removed from both the carriageway and the surrounding road formation, thereby extending the lifespan of the road and reducing maintenance costs. We now transition from the drone footage to our drive-through section. As we travel from Erisa towards Wenchi, along both sides of the road, extensive clearing activities are visible. At this stage of construction, road clearing serves several important purposes. It allows contractors to access the full width of the road reserve, create space for drainage infrastructure, improve visibility for motorists, and remove the potential hazards close to the roadway. It also facilitates future widening works and help engineers establish the final road geometry. As we continue driving, viewers can clearly appreciate the scale of preparation taking place along this corridor. While some sections may not yet exhibit major pavement works, these preliminary activities form the foundation upon which all subsequent construction stages depend. Returning to the drone footage, we once again observed the construction equipment working on drainage excavations and roadway preparation. The trenches being excavated today will eventually support culverts, side drains, and other drainage structures that are essential for protecting the future roadway from water-related damage. These drainage facilities will not only preserve the road itself, but also protect nearby communities, farms, and properties from erosion and flooding during periods of heavy rainfall. Upon completion, the upgraded road will feature improved geometry, wider carriageways, better shoulders, enhanced sight distance, and safety driving conditions. Wider roads provide motorists with more maneuvering space and reduce the likelihood of dangerous encounters between opposition traffic streams. However, infrastructure alone cannot eliminate accidents. Driver behavior remains a critical factor. Excessive speed, reckless overtaking, driver fatigue, distraction, and failure to obey traffic regulations continue to be major causes of road crashes. Even on modern highways, responsible driving practices remain essential. Road safety experts consistently emphasize that overtaking should only be attempted when visibility is adequate and sufficient distance exists between vehicles. Drivers should avoid taking unnecessary risks, particularly on roads carrying mixed traffic, including heavy trucks, buses, motorcycles, and agricultural vehicles. The accident before us highlights the human cost of poor driving decisions. Every road user has a responsibility not only to protect themselves but also to safeguard the lives of passengers, pedestrians, and fellow motorists. As construction progresses and road standards improve, public education and responsible driving must go hand in hand with infrastructure development. Moving further along the project corridor, we can observe heavy equipment actively engaged in earthworks. An excavator is excavating trenches on side drains, while the dozer is spreading and leveling the excavated material. The technical term for excavator operation here is drain excavation or side drain excavation, while the bulldozer is performing earth spreading and grading. Together, these activities help establish the drainage network and prepare the roadway platform for subsequent construction stages. In some areas, the excavator is also shaping the shoulder zone and creating the required side slopes. This process is commonly referred to as shoulder shaping and slope trimming. These operations ensure that water flows efficiently towards the drainage channels while maintaining the structural integrity of the road embankment. The presence of workers, heavy machinery, and active construction operations demonstrate that progress is ongoing across this section of Lot 1. Every excavation, drainage channel, and shoulder formation contributes towards eventual transformation of this important transportation corridor. Roadside clearing activities continue all the way towards the outskirts of Wenchi, including sections leading towards the educational institutions in the area, such as the agricultural training facilities and nearby schools. These improvements will ultimately enhance accessibility for students, teachers, farmers, traders, and residents who rely on this corridor every day. Overall, Lot 1 of the Wenchi Sawla Road project continues to witness important preparatory and earthwork activities. While significant work remains ahead, the ongoing roadside clearing, shoulder formation, drainage excavation, grading operations, and site mobilizations indicate steady progress towards delivering a safer and more reliable transportation corridor for the people of the Bono, Savannah, and surrounding regions of Ghana.